In an era dominated by synthetic medications, the allure of natural remedies remains strong, especially when it comes to combating bacterial infections. Figs and olive oil, both renowned for their health benefits, have been recognized for their potential as natural antibiotics. In this video, we will explore 7 remarkable natural antibiotics crafted from the synergy of figs and olive oil. 1. Fig and olive oil infusion. The simplest yet potent natural antibiotic involves infusing figs in olive oil. Figs are rich in antioxidants and possess antibacterial properties. When combined with the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of olive oil, this infusion becomes a powerful elixir that can combat infections both internally and externally. 2. Fig and olive oil paste. Create a healing paste by blending dried figs with olive oil. This mixture can be applied topically to wounds or used as a spread. Figs contribute to wound healing, while olive oil acts as a protective barrier, preventing infection and promoting overall skin health. 3. Figs and olive oil tea. Boil figs in water and add a dash of olive oil to create a soothing tea. This concoction can help alleviate respiratory infections, thanks to the antimicrobial properties of figs and the anti-inflammatory effects of olive oil. Enjoying this tea regularly may provide a natural defense against common colds and respiratory ailments. 4. Fig and olive oil syrup. Combine figs, olive oil, and honey to make a delectable syrup that serves as a natural antibiotic. The natural sugars in honey enhance the antibacterial properties of figs, while olive oil adds an extra layer of health benefits. This syrup can be consumed daily to support the immune system. 5. Figs and olive oil salad. Incorporate chopped figs and a drizzle of olive oil into your salads. This not only enhances the flavor but also provides a steady intake of antibacterial compounds. The combination of fresh figs and olive oil creates a delicious and nutritious dish that promotes overall well-being. 6. Fig and olive oil capsules. Extract the essence of figs and olive oil and encapsulate it for a convenient natural antibiotic supplement. These capsules can be a convenient way to incorporate the benefits of figs and olive oil into your daily routine, offering a systematic approach to maintaining good health. 7. Olive oil infused fig extract. Concentrate the antibacterial compounds of figs by infusing them in olive oil. This extract can be used topically on wounds or as a massage oil. The combination of figs and olive oil creates a synergistic blend that promotes healing and prevents infections. Nature has bestowed us with an abundance of healing ingredients, and the combination of figs and olive oil stands out as a powerful duo in the realm of natural antibiotics. Whether used in infusions, pastes, teas, syrups, salads, capsules, or extracts, the synergy of figs and olive oil provides a holistic approach to combating infections. Embracing these natural remedies not only promotes physical well-being but also connects us with the age-old wisdom of harnessing the healing power of nature.